So I want to make a really quick video about the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL and about phone cases. So I've been looking for a phone case for this device, and I've tried printing my own phone case. I've also tried buying the cheapest case I could find on Amazon, and this one is awful. Do not get this case. People have, I've handed them my phone in this case, and they've literally thrown my phone onto the ground. So definitely stay away from this one. I don't really want to even call out the company but just don't buy the cheapest one you can on Amazon. I really did like the 3D printed one, and I also really liked my later case for my Pixel 8 Pro. I thought this is a great case. I like that there's no branding, like that you can get in different colors. It's really good. And then I looked at the price they were charging, and it's $60, and I don't think this case is worth $60. I mean, it is high quality, but it's just a little tiny piece of Aramid fiber shaped to match your phone. So I started looking for other options, and I went to AliExpress and I ordered this. I got it for $8 shipped. It looks like it's a little more expensive now. The last I saw was about 20, and I've tried it out for a day, so this isn't a real unboxing, but this is how it came. And it's just, an Aramid fiber case for the Pixel. And it feels similar to the later case. I don't like that I can only get it in black, but I've had a couple people touch them, and they've actually said that this feels better. Maybe it's just because this is a little used, but it's been working great. It feels like it's really good quality. There's there's the tiniest bit that it's a little higher up on one side than the other. And I also don't like that it doesn't have MagSafe, but I just ordered one with MagSafe, and it just clips right into the phone. So I'm kind of like a little bugged by how much companies are charging for this. If the later case was like $35, maybe even $40, I'd probably go for that, especially if it had MagSafe. But I think charging $60, for a thin-born case, it's just a little too expensive for what it is. And I don't know. I don't think it's, I understand you have to pay for advertising, but I think if you are fair with your customers and you give them a case at a fair price, that you're going to sell more cases. And if you're not, then they'll go other places. And I think one of those options that's really good right now is AliExpress. You can find these cases. They fit really well. They feel good. Yeah, I think if you own a device and you are looking for a case, it's definitely an option to consider. And I'm very happy with mine so far. And this isn't sponsored. I don't get paid by AliExpress, or there's no case company sponsoring my videos. I just want to share it because I don't think people should be overcharged for cases for their devices. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Also, if you disagree and you think I should be paying full price for a phone case, it's, $60, $70 for this to support the creators of it, let me know in the comments. I'm open to hearing about that, and really trying to wrap my mind around how this can be that expensive. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.